Is there something I could do? Oh, is there something I could do to get that T-pop clipper? Get that T-pop clipper. Yes, 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 yes. Now, if you ever like this hair clipper, you will love this one a lot more better. Not because this hair clipper is coming from TPOB, it's really much more better. I can't even start with the weight. And on the hand, this one is okay, but this one feels much more better on the hand. And don't even let me start with the lever. The lever. TPOB sounds and feels smoother. Before we go on further, let's take a look at the box of this X clip. Alright, and as usual, all grain. See that? X. At the front, it's written it got 210 minutes operating time. Charging time should be around 90 minutes. Got all metal body, exo graphene blade. Got 6,800 RPM with a brushless motor. So at the back, okay, almost the same thing. Let's open the box and see what TPOB got for us inside. Alright. This is it. And here you got a manual. Okay, inside got a charging block. This is for the US. Okay, got a screwdriver, charging cable, little brush, and you got a lot of premium guards. Check it out. Here's metal, which is really good. This is a very good premium guards. Very strong. Oh, that's strong, man. See that? So now here's the clipper in close range. And I made a tear down of this EXO clipper already, and it's on my members only. See that? Got 5 clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And check out this range, man. You don't need a stretch bracket for this. And sound check. It's a brushless one. So now, it's really quiet. And right now, I'm gonna give a shout out to some Pete the Barber. So we're gonna go to St. Pete side, and shout out to TPOB for sending me this hair clipper. So you all know how brushless motor is. Most of the brushless motor, they are very quiet. Can hear? You can buy this hair clipper from Amazon or TPOB website. And if you are on TPOB website, you can easily use my discount code ADO15 and get 15% off. More cheaper than. So, okay, I almost forgot. The only cons that I saw with this hair clipper is it's a little bit slippery. And if you are using this hair clipper, you should use a grip for it. It's slippery a little bit. That's it. So peace, man. Alright.